In the previous lesson, we connected the MySQL using JDBC with Java. In this video, we will run a select query in a Java program. There is a table named country in the Word database. We will query the data in this table in a Java program. I create a class for database operations. In this class, we will perform connection, select, insert, update, and delete operations. I move the username, password, and DB URL variables to this class. I put the variables in private mode. I move the connection variable to the class. We connected to the database using try and catch blocks. I will create a method in the class. I add this code block to the method. I will create an object from the database class. I call the connect-to-database method. We connected to the database. Now let's learn how to run a select query. I need some variables. I create a variable for SQL. I create a variable for statement. I will show you why I created these variables in a moment. Finally, I create a variable for the result set. I create a method for select. SQL can be sent to the method. I assign this keyword to the SQL variable. I will write a select query using try and catch blocks. I assign the PreparedStatement method to the statement variable. I assign the execute query method to the ResultSet variable. I send the SQL string to the method. The while loop will continue to work as long as the next method in the result set returns true. I will create the continent and name columns in the country table. The first index will corresponding to the continent and the second index to the name column. I print the first and second indexes in the result set to the console. Finally, I add a catch block. I call the select from the database method. I will send the SQL query to the method. I will query the continent and name columns. The continent and name column data was printed to the console in order. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.